Welcome to Fyno. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an external meta template. From the navigation bar on the left, click on Templates. Now, select External Templates from the options available. If you have already added an integration, you might see some synced templates from that integration here. If not, that's completely okay. You can create a new template by clicking on the Create button. When entering a template name for Meta, ensure it contains only lowercase letters, underscores, or numbers, for instance, order_tracking. Next, choose the integration where you want to create this template. Then, select the category appropriate for your template. It's critical to select the correct category because Meta tends to reject templates if the content doesn't align with the chosen category. Sending marketing content under a utility category, for example, will likely lead to rejection. Let's go ahead and select the marketing category for now. Moving on to the language selection, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll create a template in the English language. Remember, you have the option to select multiple languages, but for simplicity, in this tutorial, we will only select English. Once the template is created, the template editor will appear. On the left-hand side, you will see the different languages the template is available in. You can add multiple languages here too while you are creating the template. The use case we're addressing here is the scenario where an order confirmation needs to be sent to a business which has confirmed their order. Additionally, we'll provide the option to cancel the order and a tracking link directing to our website for order tracking. Begin by clicking on the header type options. Now, insert a header text with the phrase order confirmed. Next, let's add some content to the body of this template. You can use curly braces with a number inside if your template uses dynamic content or variables. It's important to maintain a balanced variable-to-words ratio to avoid validation issues. A high number of variables with too few words is not acceptable. For instance, you could write, "Your order for 2 shirts is confirmed," and include an order ID variable. To aid Meta in understanding the expected data when the template is triggered through an API, provide sample values for the variables. For the first variable, we'll use the name, John, and for the second one, an order ID. Although adding a footer is optional, it can be incorporated if desired. Furthermore, buttons can be added to enhance the template's dynamic nature and offer users actionable options. Meta supports 5 types of buttons: quick reply, marketing opt-out, website link, call, and coupon code buttons. Let's add a custom button that allows the recipient to cancel the order. However, if they click on Cancel Order, you can configure a callback from WhatsApp to provide you with the order ID that needs to be canceled while creating the Fyno template. You can also add a Visit Website button for order tracking. For this example, we'll use a random URL, but ideally, you'd want a dynamic URL because, generally, when you're trying to track an order, it has a unique ID. We'll give it a sample value so that Meta understands what kind of URL to expect. Let's use AWB1234 as our tracking ID. This will be the link generated for the ID. On the right side, you can preview the template and get an idea of how it will appear to the recipient. Once you've finished creating your template, you can save it. Meta limits template updates to once per day. So if you're uncertain about the content you are sending for approval, you can uncheck this box to save it as a draft. Fyno will save this template as a draft, and once you are certain about the content, you can either send it as is or make changes before seeking approval. We'll demonstrate the flow by first saving this as a draft, then making changes, and finally sending it for approval again. Let's save this as a draft. Here you can see the response for the template. If there are any issues with the saving, it will be visible here. Click Done. Now, back on the listing page, you can see the order tracking template saved as a draft. We will click on it to open it again, and you'll notice the same content is here. Let's make a change. I want to change the sample value for dynamic tracking URL and save the template. Now that the content is satisfactory, I am ready to send it for approval. Make sure to check the language you want for approval, and then click Send for approval. You will receive a response from Meta indicating the status as OK. The message ID is created with the category, marketing, and the status is pending. In case Meta rejects your templates, you'll see error messages. These could be due to frequent updates to the template or other responses from Meta. Details and error codes can be found in the documentation. Let's click Done. And there it is, your order tracking template has been approved. Now you can integrate it with your Fyno templates and notification events to trigger notifications to your users. Thank you.